Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm gonna do a FabFitFun unboxing today. This is, I believe, the June box. Oh, summer box, sorry. Mixing it up with BoxyCharm, so I have not seen these products before. Love this summer colors. So let's get into it. Dun da da da. Ooh, pretty. So we have our Eva Longoria on the little magazine. It always comes with a little magazine. So she's on the cover and all the goodies inside. Flip through quick. That's our magazine. And onto the goodies and our usual HelloFresh 50% off. Ooh, with a code. I'll check that out later. Summer fun. Ooh, I will put this guy in the description box. $10 off your first FabFitFun box. $200 worth of products for just $39.99, and a coupon code I'll put in the description box that's good till 7/31/19, end of July. Alrighty, just rip it open. Dun, da, da, da. Oh my gosh, all the FabFitFun boxes are a little bit different. Well, they have similar products, but some of them are different. I'm going to start with the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Ooh. Dun, da, da, da. Vanna White. This is like a mister for your face. And next we have, let's see, I'm going to do all the square boxes first. Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micropolish. Smooths and exfoliates. And this one I can open because it okay. Exfoliator. Cool. What else do we have? Sol de Janeiro. Brazilian Bum Bum. Cream with Guarana extract. Okay. Body cream. Okay. Cool looking package, actually. I think there's two. There's also this Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Yes. So, shower gel and matching body cream together. Looks kind of cool. And not shake it. Let's see. I think they're all sealed. Shower cream gel. Peel it off. Oh, it smells divine. And you guys probably know what it looks like. Shower cream gel, rubbing it in. Smells amazing. And let's see, what else do we have? Ooh, exfoliating foot mask. Now I have shower gel all over me. Let's see. Ooh, another one. Exfoliating foot mask. Ooh, this is for the feet. The feet. What's our brand again? Oh, Whish. Actually, I think I have some cream from this. Coconut milk and verbena flavor or scent. Smells good. Exfoliate, polish, soothe and smooth those feet. What else? Oh my gosh, lots of masks here, lots of tubes. Generation Clay. Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Woohoo. Purple. Clay mask. Smells good. I can't. These guys are all. They're all closed, so I don't want to take the time to open them all on camera. Oh my gosh, I saw these. These are cool. These are the invisibobbles, hair ties. Liking all these. They used to just be stretchy keychains, and now they are hair rings because they don't pull your hair. Clear and tan. Nice colors. And there's six of them. These are little ones, which are good. Oh my goodness. This looks like jewelry. And what else do we have here? Okay, hair cream. This looks like hair cream. Living Proof, no frizz, nourishing styling cream. Stops frizz and lightly conditions. It's in like this cute little bottle too. Kind of like an interesting shape. I'm smelling everything even though you can't really see that. Oh, this one. This one's already open. So it's like creamy white. And I will link, not link, but I will put all the names of everything in the description box below. Oh my gosh. Okay, cute. Jewelry. Jennifer Jewelry. Jennifer Jewelry. Okay, that's my daughter's name. So anything that's in Jennifer, I think I'm gonna like it. Cute little bag. Open it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I saw a sneak peek of this one. Oh, yes. Yeah, here's a cute little bag. And then it's like a double necklace with little stars here. And here's the back. It's pretty long. I'm gonna wear it in my next video, so you guys will be able to see it. I've seen it on someone before and it looks really pretty. And I think our last guy is a big one. Whoa, it's a big box. EXO Love Sienna. Felt message board. Awesome. Oh my gosh, look at this. Check this out, guys. Oh, I moved my camera. Oh, this is gonna be for days taking these letters off. Letters. Smiley faces. And it looks like a chalkboard. Ah, and it's stuck. So let's open it. Oh yeah, actually it is kind of like a chalkboard. Unboxing, taking out silica gel. Ooh, I like it. It's like that. Got our little, it's hardwood too. Ooh, this one's nice. I've seen some that are more like plastic and more metal. So I like this one. It's black. I'm gonna have to write something and show it to you guys in my next video. Lots of goodies in our FabFitFun box this time around. Here's the letters. What they look like. I'm gonna have to spell something out, something cute. Put it in my next video, and it looks like it comes with a little bag. Little burlap sack to put your letters in, kind of like Scrabble. Cool. Alrighty. So I'm going to link everything below. No, I'm going to describe everything below. Let me know if you guys want to see me want me to try on anything. Well, most of it's like shower stuff. If you want me to try anything on or test it out and let you know, let me know. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing, or big unboxing, because this is a bigger box than the BoxyCharm video. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye. Peace out. Bye.